Hey guys, welcome back to Douglas's Model Garage's videos. And today in the living room we have a guest with us. And what's your name?
Ashley.
Ashley's back. Can we get you in the video? Okay. Well, Ashley's being a little camera shy right now, so what we're talking about here, what are we talking about here?
We're gonna be doing a couple build.
A couple build. So we're doing a couple build. We're doing these 1981 Chevy Camaros right here. Z28s, which I found out Hobby Lobby for a great price. And Ashley, do you want to go with your plan of what kind of paints you're going to be using?
I'll be painting the body black with interior being red, and then the usual Doug, what is this?
It's either silver or aluminum, one of the two.
Between silver and aluminum for the engine. And so.
And do you have any special things you're adding to it?
And then on the that's the trunk deck, right?
Yep.
On the trunk deck of my model, I'm going to put my birth year from these decals.
Okay. And what am I doing? Oh, yeah. Sorry, guys. I had a brain fart. Alright, guys. Well, for my kit, I'm going to toss in a set of 3D printed wheels with disc brakes right there. I'm going to be using two shades of green. We got an X5 green, got an XF green, XF5 green, a desert yellow for the interior. It's going to look kind of British, guys. Flat blue for the engine. Got a flat black for the chassis. And a flat aluminum for the exhaust and bright work, rims and stuff like that. Then I'm using an X22 for a clear coat on mine. Anything you want to add to it? And then I'm going to probably be using the gold decals, and you are going to be using what, the red decals?
The red decals for mine, yeah.
Okay. And so, do you know how long we're going to take on this, or we don't know?
We do not know.
Okay, so it could be one day, it could be forever?
It could be a longer time, I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't.
Yeah.
Depending on our life.
Yeah. So are we going to race them after we're done?
I don't know.
You don't know?
We'll have to play it by ear then.
Okay. Well, guys, that's the start of our video for our couple build with these two 81 Chevy Camaros. And all of our supplies we're going to be using. And also we're going to be using Tester's tube glue. I know you guys don't care for that, but that's the glue that we like using. And we're comfortable with it, and we're going to just do it. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. From me and
Ashley
and Licky and Angel at DMG headquarters, at DMGV headquarters. This is our couple build video 1. All right, guys, have a good day. All right, bye.